Here it is in the sun. You see it's a nice bright color. Yeah, no idea what GM color this is, I just know it is a GM color. Back working on the 79. A long time ago I ordered this box. I have an idea of what's in here, but I don't remember exactly. I haven't even opened it since I got it. I ordered it. Then I decided I was gonna sand the car, get it ready for paint. Then I left for college, and here we are. So let's open up this box, figure out what it is, and then start installing it. And as you can tell by the title, it's going on the interior. So here we go. Here is an aerosol can of the Oyster vinyl dye. So this will help clean up those door handles that were all disgusting and all that. And then we have the 3-compartment tray and all the little pieces with it, because the old plastic was all failing. Then we also have the console side panels. So I'm going to work on the side panels, figuring out how those mount in and getting the carpet attached to that. Alright, I decided to take the seat out. I took the seatbelt thing out, and then so the way it mounts on the 78 to 81 Corvettes, I believe, there's the 3 tabs here. It's just 3 screws that hold in the side panel. So I cut out the carpet to allow me to have access. This one I just tucked it, that one I cut it, and yeah, so it's all mocked up. I made sure what I was sent actually fits. So now we're just gonna spray the adhesive onto here, place the carpet on, and yeah, so not too bad. While this is drying, I'll let it sit for about an hour. I don't know, that's what it says. So I'm going to take out the passenger seat and just prep it just like I prepped this side, so when it's done it's all ready to go in. And then I'll catch back up with you when I'm ready to start working on this 3rd door compartment thing. Alright, I just went ahead and put them in. So there's little gaps where it's not lining up perfectly, but that is all because of this center armrest thing. It's just deformed from the sun, and same with the middle trim area. That's just getting deformed from the sun. I'll hop around to the other side. And I got this side in as well. You can see big gap here. That's just from it being deformed. Alright, I'm leaving that on there and just something heavy to help kind of mold the cardboard or whatever. It's not cardboard, but whatever this side piece thing is into place, so it kind of lines up better. But ultimately it's all back together. It looks pretty good. So now let's do this rear 3-drawer compartment thing. So this is what I received. I put on the old, I don't even know what these are. We'll see what they are. And then some black rubber stopper things. And then I'm also supposed to have a hinge, but the hinge on the old one, by the way, this is the old one, this is why I'm getting a new one. These hinges are riveted in. And I could spend a couple minutes, however long it takes, drilling it out, but I don't have anything to replace it with. So if I drill the rivet out, I don't have another rivet to put in there, and I don't really want to use a nut and a bolt. So I'm probably just going to have just it looking, but not actually functioning as a trapdoor or compartment area. At least not yet. Alright, so here is the interior. I actually went ahead and finished it up. So we got the center console, the side panels, that's all in. And then back here I have the 3 covers. So basically I just didn't put the buttons or the lock on it. This is just temporary. Honestly, I'm not really happy with how this came out, and I'm more than likely just gonna buy the complete set. So if you are looking to restore your C3 and you want to do this 3-door compartment thing, or even the 2-door, I would advise just get the one that's already assembled. It's like $100 more or something. If you can find it, just do that. It's so much simpler, because even then I still need to get the hinges or drill out rivets and replace them. So just so much easier to get the one already assembled. But for a temporary look, it actually cleans up the rear pretty well. And then we have this back area. I put the privacy cover, I think that's what it's called. That's in. It's not bolted in, but it's just kind of hanging there. And then the carpet just kind of, I don't know what the carpet's supposed to do, so I just kind of tucked it up. It seems like that was what it's supposed to do, but yeah. And then I'll walk over to the other side. And you can see I got the new seat cover on this side. And then same thing back here. Just another look. So honestly, cleaned up pretty well. Clearly there's a lot more work to be done on the interior, but for what I'm going for, this is a dramatic increase, dramatic difference. I don't know, so cool. Alright, so that's going to do it for the interior update. Next up, we got this bad weather stripping to replace. I have the full kit, and I've never done weather stripping, so I'll give that a shot, see what it takes. I already took the weather stripping off on this side, so we'll see. Alright, thank you for watching.